Let's make the Spicy Mangolada. To make this drink, I am going to start with my lime juice, 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of coconut syrup, 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. And I do make my own coconut syrup. Recipe is here on the channel, will be linked down below if you want to check it out. 1 ounce of mango nectar, and I did not nectar the mango myself. I did buy it in the store. I put it in a smaller bottle to make it easier to pour. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of your Ancho Reyes Verde, and I did try, did I say 1/4 ounce, which is 7.5 milliliters. I did try up to 1/2 ounce. That got pretty spicy, and not that I mind spice, but it overwhelmed the other flavors. But if you want to use spicier, feel free to do so. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. I think I said that. And finally the rum. To bring it up to 2 ounces of alcohol in the drink, I'm going to use 1 3/4 ounces of rum, which is 52.5 milliliters. Okay, say that 52.5 milliliters with confidence. I'm not that confident. Check the subtitles down below in case I make a correction. Ooh, get your cap on your bottle. Okay. Add some ice. And give it a shake. I am going to double strain this, but I need my other strainer. I'll be right back with you. Other strainer in hand, I'm going to get my Coupe, and I'm going to double strain this into the glass. Right up to the lip. And garnish. I did think about doing something fancy, like a little slice of mango wrapped around a coconut peel or something. I'm just not that fancy, so I went with a lime wheel because it's a daiquiri. And there you have it, the Spicy Mangolada. Drink with good spirits.